SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
This video from SolveYourTech.com will show you how to add Spanish keyboard on iPhone. Your iPhone has additional language keyboards on the device, but you will need to go to a menu in the Settings app to add them. Once you have added the Spanish keyboard to your iPhone, you simply need to open an app that uses the keyboard, then switch between keyboards. So let's jump into our video about adding the iPhone Spanish keyboard to your device. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. If you want to add the Spanish keyboard to your iPhone, then you need to start by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and choose the General option, select the Keyboard button, touch Keyboards at the top of the screen, choose Add New Keyboard, then either choose the Spanish option if one's shown at the top of the screen, or scroll down and select from one of the Spanish options there. Now that you've added the Spanish keyboard to your iPhone, it's time to start using it. So open an app that uses the keyboard, like Messages or Notes. You can then tap inside of a text field in that app, and then you can tap on the globe icon at the bottom left corner of the screen to switch between keyboards, or you can tap and hold on the globe icon and switch between keyboards that way. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. To read more information about this topic, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.